So the materials you're gonna need for this costume is black tulle. I got mine with some glitter detailing because to me, I feel like seaweed kind of has like a shininess to it, and I thought that would just be like a little cute detail for the costume. But it is kind of a nuisance because it's getting on the table. So if you want something less messy, you can go with just plain black tulle. You're also gonna need some felt fabric. I got orange because the fish I'm gonna do for the costume is salmon, and then white for some of the striation detailings on the fish. Also a light pink for the ginger, a light green for wasabi. You're gonna need a headband, some chopsticks. I actually also got yellow because if you know me, I love lemon with my sushi, so I thought it would be kind of a cute addition to the costume. And then you're gonna need something to stuff the fish and then the lemon as well. So I am gonna use my spiderweb decor that I got from the Halloween store that I have extra of. You're also gonna need some scissors, some glue, and then a hot glue gun. Okay guys, we're gonna start with the fish first. So what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna put some glue on the top and then I'm gonna glue that down. Do little by little because the glue kind of dries fast. And then you're gonna flip it on the other side so you don't see any sharp edges. See? Oh, that's so cute. Okay, and then you're gonna fill it. So I'm just gonna glue on top. I'm just adding extra glue on the corners just to make sure it's sealed enough. Your little pillow. Okay, for the detailing on the fish, you're gonna take your white felt fabric and you're gonna layer 2 on top of each other. And then you don't have to cut anything too perfect, but you're just gonna kind of cut strips. And I'm just gonna layer that on top just to get almost like the same size, but once I cut a little bit, you can take it away and then save it for later. Okay, once you cut all your little pieces, you're gonna lay it out on the fish. So I'm gonna use this side, the side that doesn't have the fold, because it's gonna be on your back so it doesn't show. And you're just gonna lay it out so you kind of know how it's gonna look. All right, so this is what it looks like. So I haven't glued it down, but I just laid it out how I want it to look on the fish. So I'm gonna go ahead and hot glue gun these pieces down. All right, so I already glued the first piece and the second piece. I'm gonna work on all the strips on this side first so I know where to place them. And I'm actually doing it little by little and I'm putting the glue right on that white piece and then gluing it down. And then I will glue these little flaps down at the end once I get all the main top pieces glued down. What it looks like. I'm gonna turn it around and glue these little things down. All right, so now we're gonna work on the lemon wedge. And I'm just gonna layer a white fabric and then also the yellow felt fabric. And I'm gonna cut the corners to kind of round off to give it that shape like a lemon. I think I'm just gonna eyeball it. And then I'm gonna fold it in half. That way I can cut the other side identical or almost close to that. I'm gonna fold it in half and then I'm gonna cut that side. I think that's a good lemon wedge. It looks more like half a lemon, but it's okay. The more lemon, the better, because I love lemon. And it's okay again if it isn't perfect. Okay, so this is what it looks like. It's like half a circle kind of thing. And then again, I'm gonna glue the outer edges. That way we can stuff the lemon. So I'm gonna go ahead and start gluing the edges. Okay, I'm gonna just let that dry for a second. And while that's drying before I stuff it, I'm going to cut another white piece, the exact same shape. And then I'm gonna move it lower. And then I'm gonna cut this edge off. I'm basically making the same shape but a little bit smaller so it could fit on the lemon. You guys will see what I'm doing in a second. Okay, so now you're going to layer it on a yellow fabric, and then you're gonna cut out the same shape. Then you're gonna make little lemon kind of wedges. Let's see how this works. I'm literally just gonna eyeball it because you know what? It's okay if it's not perfect. So I'm just gonna fold this in half and cut it down the center. I don't know how this is gonna look. Hopefully it turns out okay. Well, I tried. Lemons aren't perfect, guys. So it's okay if it doesn't look perfect. I'm gonna squeeze it on your sushi anyways. Okay, so something like this. It doesn't have to, my shapes aren't the same, they're all different. It just has to look like little lemon wedges type thing. So I'm gonna glue these yellow pieces down. I actually think it's cute when it's not perfect. Yay, there's your lemon wedge. So now you're gonna glue this down on the lemon. Okay, now we're gonna stuff the lemon wedge. You still wanna leave some space to seal it too, by the way, so keep that in mind. That's good. Oh, this is cute. It's a little lemon bag, or a little lemon pillow. Okay, I'm just gonna glue it down. And you have your lemon. Okay, so we have the fish and the lemon done. Now we're gonna move on to the headband. And you're gonna need pink and light green felt fabric. So what I'm gonna do with this is I'm gonna go ahead and cut it in strips. Again, it doesn't have to be perfect. Okay, and then for the ginger, let me see. Okay, so what you're gonna do is you're gonna take one strip. Oops, sorry. And then you're gonna glue that down like a little loop. And then you're gonna take another one. And you're gonna glue that down like that. Ouch. And then you're gonna make a loop like that. You're gonna glue that down. And then you're gonna continue that. So you're gonna put glue and glue that way, and then you're gonna glue it down. There's your little ginger. So I'm gonna make a couple of those. I think I'm gonna do one more. Look at all this glue. So this is your little ginger pieces. They're all done right there. All right, for the wasabi, you're gonna do the same thing. You're gonna cut strips. So I'm just tying a knot. Actually, yeah, tying a knot, and then tucking it in wherever. And then you can skip this next step that I'm gonna do, but I feel like it'd be even cuter to add a little bit of garnish to your headband. So besides adding chopsticks to your hair, I'm gonna make like a little green garnish on the back of the wasabi. So here's a little wasabis. And then you have your chopstick. And then I'm gonna cut like, I think I'm gonna do like a little green garnish. So you're basically just gonna cut a piece off the end of a darker green like this. And then you're gonna make like little, what's it called? Like almost like grass. So let me show you. So I'm gonna cut at the corner like this. And then you're gonna basically cut out a triangle shape like this. And again, it doesn't have to be perfect. And I'm just eyeballing how big I want this piece to be. So what you have is something like this. I kind of want it to be like this. Something like that. So I'm gonna actually make it kind of messy, the little garnish thing. So what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna pinch it in the center almost and then glue it down right there. And then take the other side and glue it down. And then I'm gonna just fold the ends a little bit. It's fine. And I'll glue this down a little bit. Ouch. So now I'm gonna glue the pieces. So I'm gonna start with the little green garnish. So I'm gonna take some glue and put it on this side. And I'm gonna glue it right here on the inside of the headband. So then when you wear it, it kind of goes up. So now I'm gonna put the ginger, and I'm gonna put a generous amount, and then I'm gonna just glue it down. Oh, Ooh, shoot. You have your little garnish right there. Now for the wasabi. Honestly, just maybe like right there. You only need one, I feel like. You don't want too much. Pop it on there, just like that. God, you guys should see my table. Anyways, your headband's all done. So cute. Okay, so we have our headband. We have our little lemon that I want to add seeds to. And then we have our salmon. Okay guys, so to make the lemon even cuter than it is, I'm gonna make seeds for the lemon. So I got this marker cardboard thing. I ripped it apart. I'm actually just gonna cut out little seeds. Oh yeah, that looks good. Okay, I'll show you guys in a second. So I cut out these little tiny, almost like teardrop shaped. So I'm gonna glue on the seeds. They look like this. Oh my god, this looks so cute. Alrighty, your lemon has seeds. How cute is that? Oh my god, so cute. So, pretty much I think that's it. The tool you're just gonna tie around your waist, and then the chopstick you're gonna just put in your hair. So, I will show you once I put the costume together. This is the whole costume together. I did steal this loose white t-shirt from my husband for the rice part of the costume, but you can wear anything white. I am holding my little lemon as part of an accessory to the costume. I don't know if I'm the only one. Please let me know if you guys also like lemon on your sushi. I love lemon on my sushi, so that is why I made like a little lemon wedge, because I just thought it would be a cute touch. I also tied the salmon on my back with the tulle, and I'm wearing some sneakers with the costume, of course, for some comfort. And then for my hair, I just put it in a bun, and I'm wearing the headband I made, and I stuck 2 chopsticks on the top. Anyways, I think this costume is super cute. It's super easy to make. So if you're looking for a last minute costume, I highly recommend this one. I will link down below all the pictures that I got inspo for this costume in case you're wondering how I got this idea. But that is it for today's video. Hope you guys enjoyed it, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye. Say hi, Micah. Hi, Eikō. Eikō, you like my costume? You like my costume?
Was just waiting for this. Pretty sure he caught this clean. The turnover, so I'll have to review it, but